Hello guys, this is Suraj out from Purely Canada, and this video is about how not to ruin your credit in Canada. So usually it applies to North America, but I will specifically talk about Canada, that how you don't have to ruin your credit. So the thing is, there are many things which affect your credit, and literally believe me, you need a good credit to spend a good life in this country, because if you have a bad credit you can't get anything in this country and you can't reach anywhere. So the thing is, first mistake you do, you apply for lots of credit cards. So the thing is, don't go for every credit card. Literally, you will go to any store, they will offer you their credit card that you are approved and we will give you our credit card and everything. Please don't do that, and select one credit card when you come to Canada, like the bank you are using from the start. Select their credit card and select the one you like with different points or different perks and everything. Use the one credit card, or at least you can get the second credit card as well, but not go for more than those, and use those ones and don't max out your limits. And specifically, to keep good credit you have to be under your 50% limit. For example, you have 1000 limit, you have to be under $500 limit. If you're more than that, banks see you differently, that this guy is using more of the debt rather than his own money. So this is the first thing. And another thing, you will most probably, how people ruin their credit is, when you are new in Canada, obviously you need a car or vehicle to move around, so you can't use buses in this kind of winter. So what people do, they shop around in the dealership, and nowadays dealership have started a new thing. They will, before negotiating a vehicle, they will ask you for your SIN number, social insurance number. I don't know why they do it. They just want to pull your credit before negotiating or selecting you a vehicle. So this is really shady thing to do. I went with my brother and they just asked for the SIN number, like without any reason, before negotiating. So they, please don't do that. They pull your credit, and each time your credit is pulled, any dealership or anybody pulls your credit, you get a hard hit on your credit score. And I believe there are 5 points which are deducted on every inquiry on your score. So please don't do that. So first of all, when you come to Canada, you open an account with a bank, use their credit card, start building your score. And without you, like, you have to have a credit card to build your score as well, because without credit card you won't even start your score. So get a credit card, start using it, do the payments on time, and pay your bills on time. Like for example, you have a phone, you can do a pre-authorized debit from your credit card. This this thing helps you in two ways. Like, your phone bill is going on time from your credit card. Pre-authorized debits are really seen good for the creditors. So your phone bill is on time and your credit card is being used, and when you pay your credit card on time, so it gives you positive score. So that's a good thing as well. So as far as for vehicle, so I would say, don't try to get a vehicle like in couple of months. At least do any job for 6 months, build your credit, pay your bills on time, use your credit card, pay your credit card bills on time, and then go for the vehicle. So most people, immigrants or new people, come to Canada, what they do, they just get a used car like 1000 or $1500 and $2000, because they have cash a little bit from coming from back home country. So they get used cars, and that's how they build their credit, and they can move along in that $2000 car, and they can build credit, and after 6 7 months they can apply for a car and they will get easily accepted with good interest rates. So this is the thing. And another bad habit is some people, what they do when they come and they accept every credit card. Like, you go to Walmart, you go to different stores, you accept every credit card, and after a few months you think that that was a mistake, you don't know, need those credit cards. So people cancel the credit cards. So this is another negative effect on you. Canceling a credit card, your score, like, a creditor sees like this person is not capable of keeping debt, so that's why he's canceling it. Don't cancel your credit card. So what you can do, call your credit card company and tell them to decrease your limit to $50 or $20 or $10. That will help you in a way that you didn't cancel the credit card, but your limit is so low you can't even use it. So it's better than canceling. And another thing is, most companies will offer you that get a loan from us, we will help you build the credit, and we will do and with this and this and this. Those are scam people. They only scam you. They charge you high interest rate for your money. Some of them ask you to give them the money in advance, and then they will charge you monthly. Please don't go for that thing. And another thing is bouncing checks. Like if you give somebody a check and it got bounced, so that affects negatively on your credit as well. And one thing is for sure, if you're going more than 50% on your credit card, please don't exceed your credit limit. Exceeding your credit limit is really a no-go area on your credit score. If you do that, your creditor will think that he's going over limit, so it might be bad for you and you will see a decrease in credit score. Another thing is monitoring your credit score. There are two companies in Canada, TransUnion and Equifax. They manage your credit. So what you can do, every 3 months you can ask for a free credit score check from them. You have to go to their website. There are procedures how you can get it. You have to mail the form by a post, and then they send you the statement. There are other options as well. You can pay them and they will tell you monthly reports, but it charges you like $20-25 a month, or like $25 for a report. So don't do that. You don't need it. If you're doing everything okay, you don't really need it. Like report every 3 months is good. And please check that, sometime it happens that first and last name of you matches to someone else, so someone else has filed for bankruptcy, and if it affects you, so you have to go through your report, see everything. If there are any like mistakes or anything, these kind of thing, you have to call TransUnion or Equifax and get it fixed. Another thing people do, sometimes people only have single name. So single name, it's a really tricky thing. So what happens, like when you have single name, you don't have last name, so whatever you are doing, you are spending or anything, you're paying your bills, it doesn't go on your credit. So what you can do, you can call Equifax or TransUnion and let them know that this is happening, I only have a single name. So they can help you out with this thing. And so we talked about how not to max out your card, how not to give your SIN to anyone, how not to apply for so many cards, and paying your bills on time, using pre-authorized debits for your bills for mobile phones, for electricity bills, for different bills. And you can most probably, these are the things to save your credit, not ruin it. So these, if you care about these things when coming to Canada, believe me, your credit will be intact and you can get anything. Like after a year you can apply for a mortgage and get home. The thing is, if you ruin your credit, you can't do anything here. You can't do can't buy a home, can't get anything, even anything. You can't even do any business. If you want to get into a business, you need good credit history. So anything you need in these countries, you need good credit. So these are the basic things to save your credit. So please don't do the mistakes. And first, don't give your SIN to anyone. You're not supposed to give to anyone. When you're buying a car or anything, after negotiating and doing everything, and you are certain that you have enough credit history, then apply for the car. Don't just give your SIN to your dealership that they pull your credit. I don't know why they like to pull your credit for no reason. So these were the things to save your credit. So if you like the video, please give a thumbs up and subscribe to the channel. And if you have any question about these issues, give me do a comment, and with your email I will reply to the comment as well. And if you need any topic to be covered in future videos, please let me know, and please subscribe. It helps a lot. Thank you.